Hello students, now we are going to start the first chapter on video so that the left item could be understand. Let's start with the planning. What is planning? It has been provided you in notes. Planning is the very first topic of your chapter 1, planning in sports. Planning it's a pervasive thing, which means it is an intellectual process of thinking in advance about setting a goal and developing strategies which are requires attaining the goal efficiency. In simple words, planning is thinking in advance what is to be done in future, when it is to be done in future, and how it is to be done in future. This is planning, so that there should not be any flaw or any kind of hurdle come in between the process of action. That is planning. Okay, now the objectives and importance has been discussed. The main part of the sports in planning is the relation of planning with sports. We have seen planning, now sports all the about the playfield games, and if we include planning in that, where we are where we use the planning in sports, when we have to organize a sporting event, like the biggest sporting event is being organized by IOC, that is Olympics, where from the corners of world the athletes come and take part in the Olympic. Full management of the Olympic and the games, the equipments, the management, the ceremonies, all come under the pre-planning. Otherwise the Olympic games could not be arranged in a proper way. We have seen many of the Olympics arranged in India. There was Asian Games arranged in a proper way in Delhi. So the planning is important at every step of sports. In schools also, during the inter-house games, the sport teacher used to plan how the games will be conducted, who will write down the scores, who will do the planning of marking the grounds. All the planning is done in advance. That is planning. Now if we are talking about the tournaments, one major thing is left, that is fixtures. Now we come to the fixtures. First, the sports tournament. What is tournament? Tournament where certain number of teams of players are assembled for a common motive, that is to take part in the tournament for a common motive to win the game, to win the tournament, to have a winner cup in the tournament. That is tournament, where now tournament has been organized, or we can say planned, in certain forms. What are those forms? So that the whole tournament, the whole sporting event go in a free flow manner. So we used to do some draw some fixtures, so that the incoming teams come to the tournament and they play according to the fixture only. Now we see what is fixture.